Good morning everybody! Welcome back to my channel. Today we are off out and about. Where are we going this morning?
Baby cafe.
The baby cafe! Woohoo! And then where are we going?
Beach.
The beach! Yay! And the park? Woo! We're going to try and do a little bit of outdoor filming. Don't know how that's going to go today, but we'll see. Don't know how confident I feel with filming in public, but hey ho, we'll give it a go. Are we ready to rock and roll, Leo?
Huh?
Yay! Let's go! Is baby and toddler group done. We've been to the Birth and Baby Cafe in North Shields, which is just an absolutely wonderful little centre for new mums with babies all up to the age of toddlers and preschoolers. It's just a brilliant place. If you live in Tyne Wear, I highly recommend it. It's wonderful. We're now we've just jumped on the metro to Tynemouth and we are going to go and find somewhere and have some lunch. Where are we? The beach. What are you eating? Bread and butter. Is it delicious? Have you just eaten the butter? Leaving the bread? Yeah. I'm watching you, Tinker. There's Riley's Fish Shack down there. Serves lovely, fresh, locally caught fish. If you ever get the chance to come to Tynemouth and have something to eat, I highly recommend Riley's Fish Shack. And look at the view you have when you're having some lunch or dinner. Gorgeous. having sausage and bean bake for our tea. Yum 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 yum. Yum 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 yum. I hope you've enjoyed our little mini adventure today. If you would like to see more little mini adventures, please subscribe and hopefully I'll see you in our next video. Next video. You're going to say goodbye.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye.